know you've been a good friend.
Build a $10,000 monthly income and say goodbye to financial struggles. Join me as I take on the challenge of building a $10,000 monthly income from scratch and say goodbye to all my financial struggles. Imagine waking up every morning feeling financially free and having the ability to pursue your passions without worrying about money. Having a $10,000 monthly income can be a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you how to achieve it. Many of us struggle financially, and it's not because we're not working hard enough. We're often stuck in a cycle of debt, low income, and lack of investment knowledge, making it difficult to break free. We feel like we're living paycheck to paycheck, with no end in sight. We're stressed, anxious, and unsure of how to turn our financial situation around. We try to make ends meet, but it seems like the more we earn, the more we spend. We're trapped in a never-ending cycle of financial struggle, and it's taking a toll on our mental and emotional well-being. We feel like we're drowning in debt, with no lifeline in sight. We've been told that financial stability is out of reach, that it's only for the privileged few. But I'm here to tell you that's not true. You can achieve financial freedom, and it starts with making a commitment to yourself to take control of your financial life. So, how do we break free from this cycle of financial struggle? The answer lies in generating multiple streams of income. It's time to think beyond our primary income source and explore other ways to earn money. We can start by creating passive income streams, investing in the stock market, or starting a side hustle. Perhaps we can monetize our skills, create and sell an online course, or start a YouTube channel. The possibilities are endless, and it's time to get creative. We can invest in real estate, dividend-paying stocks, or a small business. The key is to diversify our income streams and take calculated risks. I want to share with you a breakthrough strategy that has helped many people achieve a $10,000 monthly income. It's a strategy that involves creating an online business that generates passive income. With the rise of the digital economy, it's become easier than ever to create an online business that can run on autopilot. One of my friends, who was struggling to make ends meet, decided to take the leap and create an online course teaching her skills. Within months, she was earning over $10,000 a month in passive income. She was able to quit her job, travel the world, and live the life she always wanted. Another example is someone who invested in dividend-paying stocks and created a portfolio that generates over $5,000 a month in passive income. He's now retired, living off his investments and enjoying the fruits of his labor. In these examples, we see that it's possible to achieve a $10,000 monthly income with the right strategy and mindset. It's not easy, but it's definitely achievable. In conclusion, building a $10,000 monthly income requires commitment, hard work, and a willingness to take calculated risks. It's time to break free from the cycle of financial struggle and take control of our financial lives. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel for more financial tips, and leave a comment below sharing your own experiences or questions. I'd love to hear from you and help you on your journey to financial freedom. Join me as I take on the challenge of building a $10,000 monthly income from scratch and say goodbye to all my financial struggles.